back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. It is the new year and I am starting a new series on my channel where every month I'm going to try a funky looking Amazon product on myself on this channel. So this month I'm trying out an at-home lash perming, lash lifting, whatever you want to call it. This is $20 Amazon Prime. It came the next day, and in today's video I'm going to be getting very up close and personal with y'all and actually doing it on my eyes. I actually already did it, so this is kind of like a spoiler alert, but you have to watch to see how it went. But I will leave this link down below if you're interested. In the video I discuss some pros and cons and all that, so just keep those in mind before actually purchasing. But yeah, I got this off Amazon, and let me know what you want me to try next. I'm currently trying a laser hair removal tool that I think I have 2 more months left or something like that, so I will keep you guys updated. But I'm open to any and all recommendations, so let me know what you want to see next. Let me know if you're interested. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. Wow, I look like an actual egg potato, but here we are. This is the one I got. I've gotten this one before. I think I got this exact one like about a year ago. I used it, wasn't really a fan, everything dried out, so I had to repurchase. It's like 20 bucks off Amazon, got here in 2 days. So let's do it. Comes with some directions in the back. Since I've done it before, I don't really need too much help doing it. I would hope so. But I remember the first time and the second time, I definitely had to consult some YouTube videos. So if you're here doing this with me, hi, let's suffer together. Just kidding, this doesn't hurt at all. It's just time consuming. So this is everything that comes in the little kit, and some of these are glue, some are cleansers, some are adhesives and perming tools. I will go through everything with y'all. So use the cleanser solution number 4 to remove the oil, dust, and makeup residue off your eyes. I actually already did that with my own micellar water. I know I look like I haven't slept in 10 days, which I haven't, but this is what my eyelashes look like right now. I have been using Grande Lash for the past 3 months or so consistently. And then I used to have lash extensions up until August of last year. So they aren't as brittle as they used to be, but they are bothering me to no end because I don't know if you can tell, like right here, they're clumping up together even when I'm not wearing any mascara or anything. So hopefully this will help me elongate them but also separate them. But yeah, those are my natural lashes, no mascara, nothing on them. So let's go ahead and get started, I guess. So instruction number 2 is to select the pad that best fits your eye shape. Found the small. Okay, let's see. Perfect. So then what you need to do is actually put glue on the silicone plastic thing, like right here, and then attach that to your lid. And it's pretty uncomfortable, not gonna lie, especially because you do have to leave it on for 4 to 5 minutes, according to this. Anyway, I'm going to do this myself and then I'm gonna show you. Okay, glue is set. Also, I'm not using a mirror, I'm just using my viewfinder, which, you know, can lead to so many problems. Oh no. Okay. Nope, 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 nope. You see my issue right here? This is why you don't do things on camera. Okay. Let me make sure my eyelashes aren't in the... Okay. What a hot mess of a video, Philo. Okay, well, I decided that that's the best it's gonna get. Mostly I'm not too confident with this little corner, but we're gonna move on. So next, you're supposed to apply this same glue to your lashes so they stick to the pad. You see, my corner is always messing me up. Let me know if when you apply false lashes, your corners always lift up, because that's me all the time. If I had $1 for every video I couldn't post because my inner corner was like right here. Yeah, anyway, moving on. I'm going to attempt to do this. First I'm going to apply it on the pad, and then I'm going to move on to lifting them. Let's see. Well, Also, this step is super important because how they go on the pad is how they're gonna look at the end, so don't mess it up like I am. Let me add way more glue. Also, fun fact, this video is going to be so long, my goodness. I film right in front of my window, and my apartment is right in front by the front office of the, like, by the leasing office. So there's people and mailmen and everyone walking, seeing this crazy psycho talking to a camera, putting on this stuff on her eyes, so that's fun. Let me keep doing this and then I will update with the next step. Here's the update. We're doing well. Not really. Can you even see that? So I've been using this little tool that came with the box. It's not super useful, but this is how it's looking. So you're supposed to wait for 1 minute and then you're supposed to apply this one, number 1. Can you even see that? And then this came with no like actual tools to apply these. So I'm just going to use a Q-tip. Oh, okay, great. I'm making a mess. So I'm just going to use a Q-tip. Also, the scent of that smells horrible. Worse than hair dye, worse than anything. It smells so bad, like so chemically. So I'm going to dip the Q-tip in the perm solution thing. Then I'm going to run it all over my lashes. If you can't even see that because my camera is hating me and not focusing. So yeah, I'm going to add it. And then the instructions say, cover with plastic film. Do I know what they mean? No, but I'm assuming. Okay, is this ever going to focus? What a hot mess of a video. I'm assuming that means plastic wrap, so that's what I'm gonna do. How much am I gonna apply? Who knows? Okay, that's about it. Okay, I'm going to brush them and then I'm going to apply plastic wrap that I got from Target just for this video to see what happens. So let's see. Let me brush them. Hopefully this is entertaining or at least helpful because this is not it. At least they look nice and separated, so something's happening. And also you're supposed to leave that on for 4 to 5 minutes. Why not 5? Why not 4? Who knows? But also, how am I supposed to cover this with plastic wrap? Okay, this is interesting to say the least. One of the most interesting things I've ever done in my life. Wonderful. Okay, I'll see you in 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, I have like less than a minute now, but just wanted to mention a few things. Highly recommend only doing one eye at a time. And if you have a nice friend, a mom, that would do this for you while you lay down, that's even better. Find a podcast because waiting here with one eye like this for 5 minutes sucks. But anyway, next up, you're supposed to apply the blue lotion. This is a fixation lotion. Same thing with the Q-tip though, and my timer is about to stop. I do wish they would come with like brushes or something. I hate using Q-tips for this. I'm going to apply the blue one now, which is the fixation one, and this one you also have to wait 4 to 5 minutes. Once again, they couldn't be specific. Okay, update. Almost 5 minutes have gone by and some of them are no longer sticking to the pad, which is unfortunate, but damn, they look good. Imagine my lashes always look like this. Anyway, so next step is to take the cleanser number 4, which I don't know why it wouldn't be number 3, but you know, gently remove lip pad. Okay, well, it's coming off all by itself, so. Okay, not bad, not bad. Let's compare and contrast. Not bad at all. And then apply nutrition solution number 3 to nourish eyelashes. They look pretty dang good, honestly. I'm impressed. My lids are definitely very sticky still. Okay, step 3, which is really step 4 because you do it at the very end. Just applying this with a little Q-tip once again. I wish this came with like some sort of tool for this, but you can also use a spoolie. I think that would be way better. But dang y'all, I'm pretty impressed. Obviously I will update y'all in an Amazon Finds and Favorites video how these hold up, but now the torture isn't over for me because I have to do the other eye. I will do that off camera and come back with the end results. Look at that. Wow, shook. So take a look at this one. because in a bit I will show you the after. Okay, y'all, this is the after. I don't know why this eye gave me a really hard time, especially putting down the like plastic thing like this. It would not stick, so I feel like it didn't turn out as good as this one, but I mean, at least they're lifted, they're separated a little bit, there's like a little bit of a clump there. But what I'm gonna do, let me show you. What I'm gonna do is wait a few hours. It actually doesn't say like wait or do not wash your face or anything like that, but I'm gonna wait a few hours and actually apply mascara to show y'all kind of like a good look at my lashes. I'm going to use like a really separating mascara, so, but I'm pretty like happy with it. Once again, it's just a matter of like putting in the time. It's not that long. It probably took like 25 minutes, 30-ish. Okay, so I got ready to film a different kind of video, but I wanted to show y'all my lashes. So they're definitely pretty nice and curled. I will say, let me zoom you in a little bit more. This is very up close and personal. Oh my god. So I don't know if you can tell how my outer corners really aren't lifted at all, and it's because I actually didn't adhere them to the pad. So next time, that's definitely something that I need to be paying attention to. But besides that, I would say they are pretty nice and curled and long looking, and they definitely make me look more awake. I mean, for $20, you really can't beat it. I would say try it. Once again, if you have sensitive skin, I would suggest staying away from something like this, but I mean, there's like pros and cons with everything off of Amazon, obviously. That's why I make so many Amazon videos, but I would say this is a win. I would recommend it. I would keep using it. Like I said, $20. If you are not confident doing this yourself, if you're worried this is going to be too harsh on your eyes, I would suggest just going to a professional. There's tons of options when it comes to lash lifting. And yeah, I mean, so far so good. Like I said, I will update you on this on my February Amazon Finds and Favorites video. But that's everything for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what other beauty things you want me to try that are off Amazon. I'm currently testing out at home laser hair removal from Amazon, but if you have any other recommendations, I'd be happy to try those out. I love you guys so much. I will link this specific one down below and my shirt as well. I'm sure you'll ask. So yeah, I love you guys. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.